Helpful tips on how to start a successful YouTube channel. Choose a niche. Pick a topic that you're passionate about and that you can consistently create content for. This could be anything from beauty to cooking to gaming. Research your competition. Check out other channels in your niche to see what they're doing and what sets them apart. Take note of what works and what doesn't. Define your target audience. Who are you making videos for? What do they want to see? Knowing your audience will help you create content that resonates with them. Invest in equipment. You don't need to break the bank, but having a good camera and microphone will help your videos look and sound professional. Create a consistent schedule. Post videos regularly to keep your audience engaged. Choose a day and time that works best for you and stick to it. Optimize your video titles and descriptions. Make sure your video titles are clear and concise, and include keywords that will help people find your videos. Engage with your audience. Respond to comments and questions, and ask for feedback. Building a community around your channel will help you grow your audience. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media and other platforms, and collaborate with other YouTubers to reach new audiences. Remember, starting a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Be patient and stay focused on your goals, and you'll see results over time.